Hello everyone, my name's Nathalie Noret and I am the Module Director of Survey Research Methods and Statistics. So for this module, what we're going to aim to do is cover different types of survey research methods, including observations and different types of questionnaires like surveys and standardized measures such as intelligence tests or personality tests. We're also going to continue your study of statistics. So you'll do experimental research methods in semester 1. And in this module, we'll basically pick up on that module and continue your study of what we call bivariate statistics a little bit more. So we'll cover things like the chi-square test, correlations, and we'll also introduce the linear regression. So for this module, you'll have 1 2-hour lecture a week, including also a 1.5-hour workshop, where you'll be using a program called SPSS to practice your statistics a little bit more. There'll also be a weekly quiz online where you can test yourself in terms of how much you've understood and identify things that you maybe need to look at a little bit more, alongside a weekly activity that is typically associated with the assessment. So little things that we'll ask you to do to help you prepare for the 2 assessments on the module. So in terms of the assessment, the first assessment is a poster presentation. So you won't be presenting this in front of the whole group. Instead, you'll be creating a poster summarising a research project that you'll be undertaking as part of the module. So poster presentations are often used a lot in conferences, and they're a really important way of summarising research findings. So for the first assessment, we'll be going to do one of those types of presentation. At the end of the module, there'll also be an exam. But don't worry too much about that because the weekly tests are designed to help you prepare for that. But also we always have a revision session as well to take you through the key points that we've covered in the module. So in terms of the layout of the module, we'll look at different types of methods. We'll look at the principles of significance testing, things like power and effect, different statistical tests such as the chi-square test, correlations and linear regressions, but also just summarise what are the key principles of research methods and statistics. We know when you get started that statistics isn't necessarily something you'll be really excited about. However, as you'll get going, you'll realise just how important it is for studying all your other modules, but actually just how interesting research methods and statistics can really be. So to get you started on your survey research methods journey, I've included a paper down here which is published in Frontiers in Psychology, which looks at observations of children learning to use different tools. So it includes some basic statistical techniques in there, but really highlights why observations can be so important. So if you pop that title into Google, that paper should be freely available and accessible for you to read. So until then, I'll see you in semester 2. I hope you enjoy your first semester, and I look forward to taking you through survey research methods and statistics.